guys, how are all my hair comrades today? Whenever I fired up the camera here to do this video, there was a song in my head. I think it might be kind of appropriate when you're thinking about, oh man, how did I get the short straw with a bald head? You know, in my family, both my grandfathers, all my uncles, as far as the eye can see, not one bald head. How did that happen? Somehow, I got lucky to grab a hold of that one little recessive gene, and it attached itself to me. But there's good news. There's an answer. Anyway, when I first fired up the camera, I was thinking, I've been cheated, been mistreated. When will I be loved? Sorry to put that on you. But hey, man, I found me some love and it's on my head and it gets me some love and it's all good from there, guys. Hey, let me tell you, there are lots of options with super hair pieces. Lots of different, you can do skin units, you can do lace units, and you can search around the internet and you can find all kinds of opinions about it all. I've been there with all of it, and you know what I've settled on. It's the skin units, as natural as it gets, and makes me feel love. I want you to feel love. I hope you feel it coming from you from here because it's there. Hey, let me know how I can help you. Just drop me a line, an email at thehighlevelman@gmail.com, and maybe we can chat, talk, set something up, or you may just have a question or two. I'm here for ya. Let's do this, guys. When will I be loved? It's 3:29. Got a while. See ya. You got hair, H-I-R. Enough said, you be the judge. Thank you, God, and super hair pieces. You too can have hair on your head and be what you're supposed to be. Woohoo! Checking out. Oh, I guess I better turn off the camera. And out.